So it appears that we're cooking another slow cooker recipe. This one is packed with protein, complex carbs, and enough flavor to make you forget about your favorite burrito spot. Rather than tell you how easy it is to prep, I'm just gonna show you. Let's jump right into it. Start with 2 pounds of fat-trimmed chicken breast. Easy way to trim the fat off if you don't have a decent knife is to use a pair of kitchen shears. Chop your chicken breasts in half once trimmed, and then layer those into the bottom of your slow cooker. Next, add in 2 cans of drained and rinsed low-sodium black beans, 1 24-ounce jar of salsa, 2 cups frozen corn, half a cup of water, 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic, and either half a packet of a low-sodium taco seasoning mix, which is super easy and cheap, or 1 tablespoon chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and some black pepper. Give those ingredients a mix, making sure to keep your chicken breast submerged, and then turn your slow cooker on either high for 4 to 5 hours or low for 7 to 8. After that time, remove the lid and shred your chicken up with 2 forks like this. Should break apart pretty easy if it's cooked.